DJI FlyCart 30 supports 2 flight route planning modes: set waypoints and live mission rec. Enter flight route library from the home screen. Tap New Flight Route. Select Set Waypoints. Tap the map. Add 2 waypoints to generate a flight route. The flight route length will be displayed in the middle of the flight route. Tap the waypoint lock icon to prevent other waypoints from being added due to accidental touches. Tap the reverse route icon to swap the start point and end point of the flight route. S indicates the start point. Select a waypoint and tap the delete icon to remove the waypoint. In the parameter settings home panel, you can edit the flight route name and select FlyCart 30 as the drone. You can use the default value of altitude mode. Enter the flight route settings panel, where you can set safe takeoff altitude. Enable climb to start point. Set speed relative to takeoff point. Waypoint type. Upon completion, and other parameters. These parameters apply to all the waypoints along the flight route. To set parameters for an individual waypoint, tap the waypoint settings icon and select the desired waypoint. Then, you can set the parameters for the waypoint, including speed, relative to takeoff altitude, waypoint type, gimbal pitch, actions, and longitude and latitude. It is recommended to select Follow Route for all parameters. Tap the collapse icon. The flight route length, estimated flight duration, and number of waypoints are displayed at the bottom of the screen. Tap the Save icon to save the parameter settings. The flight route is created. On the flight route library screen, tap New Flight Route. Select Live Mission Rec. Check the status and surroundings of the drone. Fly the drone to a safe altitude. Align the drones heading towards the target. When the drone reaches the start point of the flight route, wait for the drone to hover stably, and then press C1 to record the first waypoint. A message will be displayed, indicating that waypoint 1 is successfully recorded. Repeat this process to record each waypoint. You can select a waypoint and press C2 to delete it. After the flight route is recorded, tap to view the flight route information. Tap the edit icon. Select Set Waypoints. Change the flight route name. Note that, if RTK is enabled for the drone, it will automatically obtain the altitude. Do not select Follow Route. Save the flight route after you complete the settings. Enter Flight Route Library from the home screen. Select a flight route. Make necessary adjustments if any warning banners appear. Ensure there are no warnings before starting cargo transport. If an emergency occurs during the flight, the pilot can press the flight pause button. The drone will then brake and hover to ensure flight safety. In dangerous situations, the pilot can manually open the parachute. If the flight controller autonomously detects a severe abnormality, it will automatically open the parachute. The minimum effective altitude for opening the parachute is 60 meters. Therefore, it is recommended to set a relative altitude of higher than 60 meters when you create the flight route.